Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be answering another frequently asked question on calculator use for ACT math. So this question here goes like this: says, are TI-84 calculator tricks better than Casio calculator tricks for the ACT? This is a very good question and somehow controversial too. Well, to answer this question I will say not necessarily. TI-84 calculators excel at graphing and visual problem solving. Yes, it excels at graphing and visual problem solving, while Casio Classics models are often faster for direct equation solving. Okay, the best calculator is the one you know how to use efficiently. Yeah, I think this answers this question perfectly. The best calculator is the one you know how to use efficiently. But if you ask me to recommend for you, I will tell you, if graphing is more of a challenge to you, then get T-84 Plus to help you not only solve other aspects of the math, but graphing inclusive, okay, and statistics as well. But if graphing is not your concern, if you can do graphing by yourself without using the calculator, then I recommend get the class with. Okay, for those of you that have T-84 Plus, this is a 2-hour long video on ACT math calculator use, showing how T-84 Plus can solve problems in ACT math. So take your time to watch this video, you'll be fine. Alright, so that will be all for this video. I'll see you in my next video.